Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this new POV test drive video. In this video I'm going to take the GLE63S AMG for a test drive. So it has a DECAT exhaust, which in every mode it's super loud. Even in comfort, if you rev it, you still hear the turbos whistling. So yeah, I'm going to take this for a drive and I would say enjoy. I'm not going to talk much, because you just have to listen to the sound of this beast. So loud. By for the camera. Like gunshots. Insane. You hear the turbos whistling, it's just so loud. Here, listen to it. I don't know if the camera gets it right, but it's awesome. And this is also really cool, so here you can see the power of the car. 760 Newton meters of torque. Newton meters. That's a lot. I don't know really what this car is like in corners, because yeah, it's very bad weather and we don't have a lot of roads here with some nice turns. So yeah. When I was young at this spot, I went with my grandma on the bike to spot some cars here. It's nice thing to tell. Think about it every time. So next week I'm going to pick her up in an Audi R8 V10 Spider. So that also will be awesome, of course. So she can enjoy a nice ride in a supercar. You have to treat this car with respect, also with the shifting. It's very sensitive. on the highway you can drive in comfort, and then you don't have a lot of sound, the engine, which is quite relaxing. So when you just want to drive like a normal person, then it's also a good car. Then you can go back to Sport Plus, and then it starts to come back alive again. So it's all in one package in this car.
Gaan we weer naar binnen.
Guys, thank you for watching this POV test drive. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this, and see you at the next video.